With Thanksgiving coming up next week, I want to talk a little bit about gratitude. And I want to talk about the usefulness of gratitude on your sick to fit journey. And here's what it is. Gratitude is actually the opposite of entitlement. That when you are grateful for something, you are acknowledging that it came to you as a gift, that you aren't owed it, that it wasn't inevitable, and that you appreciate it. And that's the opposite of entitlement, which is, I just deserve this. It should just come to me, and I should just take what I want. Can you see how the entitlement mindset is actually embedded into overeating, into binging, into, okay, I want this, so I'm going to have it. And I know it's kind of mean to say that that's actually a form of entitlement because it doesn't feel like it's in our control. But can you feel the energy of it? Can you feel the energy of, okay, I have this urge to eat something I don't need, to eat something that's in excess. And in that moment, to feel that urge so strongly that it overcomes all of your goals, all of your other priorities, all of your values about who you are, about your integrity, about keeping promises to yourself, that deep down, is that not a toxic expression of entitlement? And so gratitude is the opposite of that. You cannot be grateful for the food you're eating and overeat on it at the same time. You can kind of go back and forth, but when you find yourself on the cusp of a binge, instead of pushing it away and saying, no, bad chocolate, bad donut, bad pizza, instead see what happens when you bring gratitude to this food, gratitude to the earth that provided it for you, gratitude to the distribution chain that brought all the ingredients together and delivered it into a place where you could access it. And then see from that place, is it still necessary to overeat? Is it still necessary to override your body's natural needs and override your values and ethics to have this food? So give that a try. Have a great day.